So my plan today, guys, was to make 43 people say happy birthday Zimbabwe on camera, as it is the 43rd birthday of Zimbabwe. But unfortunately, guys, it was so tiring, I couldn't do that. So I only managed to find these people that I'm going to show you guys who were willing to do that. So without wasting time, here are the encounters that I had. Honestly speaking,
Now,
yeah, happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday, Zimbabwe.
Yeah, I'm joined with my sister. Akapfeka zvinhu white. She's all in white. So she wants to say happy birthday to you, Zimbabwe, and she's the first person to say it today on my challenge.
Happy birthday, Zimbabwe!
Yeah, I'm joined with my brother, and he wants to shout out to everyone here.
Yeah, happy 43rd birthday to Zimbabwe.
Say it again.
Happy birthday, Zimbabwe!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Say it again, Rasinotora.
Happy birthday, Zimbabwe!
Happy birthday, Zimbabwe.
Yes, sir.
I'm happy to be with you, all of my family, friends, and colleagues at the UZ. Thank you.